Taking great portraits is all about connection. Without it, what's the point? This video is going to show you 5 simple tricks and hacks you can do to instantly up your portrait game. After assisting multiple professional photographers and working in the industry for over 15 years, these are by far the most important things you can do while shooting to make sure you get the best possible image. Hey guys, my name is Corey Vanderploeg at Corey Photo on Instagram and Twitter. Let's jump right in. Shoot a lot of images. If you're shooting digital, this should go without saying. The more frames you can capture, the more likely you are to not miss a single moment. You can flip to continuous shooting mode and pepper out 3 to 4 frames a second. For example, look at this set of raw images. For this portrait alone, I shot hundreds of images for one perfect moment. If you're shooting strobe or shooting film and don't have the luxury of continuous shooting or wasting a lot of frames, develop a rhythm. Taking a lead and setting a pace will have the same rhythmic effect as dancing, a give and take. This cadence will make the shoot feel more fluid, effortless, and more importantly, fun. Routines are so important, especially with photography. A good routine will get you into the proper mindset to find that authentic place between two human beings and capture it. It will also help control and master the technical side of photography. Good habits before and during your shoot affect your mental sharpness, your performance, your emotional well-being, and your energy level. If you can maintain consistency each shoot, your confidence will skyrocket, and confidence leads to better portraits. Routines will vary from person to person, but some simple habits I have are setting out all my gear in a very militaristic way, running through the same test with my assistants before the shoot, and starting with the same up-close portrait every time. The best portrait sittings are simply a result of a little extra planning. Use an Apple box. This might seem silly, but if you're shooting in a studio with nothing, just you and the sitter, no props, no gimmicks, or silly photography tricks to use as a crutch, then an Apple box will become your best friend. If you're going for bold, graphic photography, then you can use these boxes to change the subject's shape, and use it like a piece of furniture to allow them to get comfortable. If an idea gets stale, just move the box and find a whole new shape. Learn some standard posing. If you don't know where to look back at the greats who did it before you. Yusuf Karsh, Irvin Penn, Richard Avedon. What did they do? Looking in photography books to see what your eye gravitates towards is a good starting point. From there you can pose your subjects and let them make it their own by allowing them to move and find what's comfortable for them. Some of my favorites to start are extreme close-ups or having them attack the lens or even the surrounding environment. If you're into fashion, I recommend Appearances by Martin Harrison, and if you're into portraits, I recommend Irving Penn, Centennial. Make a connection. There's no trick or hack here to help you truly connect with someone. The only way you can do that is by freeing yourself from all other distractions around you. You have to be completely zoned in to observe and connect and earn trust from your sitter. If you've wasted all your time and energy worrying about distractions like, what are my camera settings? What light am I using? What pose should I do? What idea is next? Then you aren't connecting. You're just doing a technical exercise. And that's it. These 5 tricks are guaranteed to improve your portrait photography. Do you think I missed anything? If so, leave a comment and make sure you hit subscribe because I'll have a lot more videos coming soon. My name is Corey Vanderploeg at Corey Photo on Twitter and Instagram. Happy shooting.